Ha?
Table top! Nice, Julius! Oh, turon na.
Sa kanya, sa kanya.
Si Gustav lang yung tagilid.
Julius!
Gusto lang yung tagilid.
Pakihatak nga ito!
Unahin si Apo ha.
Ah, pa akong tulog
Parang
eh.
tumangkad ka.
Kaya nga, oh, tinan mo.
Pre, Apo. Tayo kami lahat doon, daanan mo kami sa Skyway.
Ah, sige, sige.
What time is it?
Ang nausapan,
Happy birthday.
5:30.
Pati yung kamay oh, Pedro. Ha? Lumalaki yung kamay.
Tangin na, laki na nga oh.
Dito gamit. Ito gamit ko eh.
Hardtail lang yun. Pero na, ito. Kala ko jump, sabi jump.
Wala, bangag ako. Wala kang tulog.
Ang tulog?
Wala.
Asa mo, walang gising. Oo, walang gising.
Hey, buddy.
Sige na.
Naka-avid pala si Abu.
How was it?
Alright. We haven't done it yet.
No.
Come on, go play. Do you want me to go with you?
Masama
Push him, Philip.
Okay, I'll go with you.
You haven't tried it yet.
No,
I didn't sleep last
it's
night.
easy. Come on.
Yeah, it's easy. Coming from Philip.
Yeah, and you know I cry all the time.
Abu saying no?
Seriously.
Yeah,
It's
maybe.
okay.
I'm just thinking about it.
Sige, Thursday
I didn't sleep last night, that's why.
That's no excuse.
Just send it, ha?
Tara, reporto na lang tayo dito.
Ha?
Ay, titirahin pa ni Philip sa kanya. Ay, yan. Go. Ah, sige, papicture.
Sige na, picture muna tayo. Let's take a picture first.
Go. Abu.
Wala akong tulog.
Philip, what's this boy?
No, you tell me.
Yan na. Tira na, Abu. Tira, para may dapat may palit kayo ng uniform ha.
Tulog pa laman ko eh.
Ay, eto picture. Baka magising.
Yeah.
Tayo ako dun, Abu ha.
Ha?
Sa Skyway ha. Tayo ako dun. Buti di ka nag-kiss talagang ano, kung nadikit yung handlebar mo. Laglag kayong dalawa dyan, no? Lalo si Pitchaw, minto. Iba natin, hindi mo minto yun.
Come on, let's take a picture first. Yeah.
Baby picture niya, jump yun. Nakabubagsak. Kung ano. Picture daw muna.
Honestly, it's okay. It's easier than I
It's
thought.
easy, huh?
Now even I'm getting so cheeky to go like this. Not much, but I don't usually do that. Yeah, that's the thing. I did break for the first time.
You cased?
Little.
Say cheese!
Let's go, boys! Ay. Diyan! Bubukas na kasi. Tara ko yan!
Para may joke club.
Nagulas.
Sige, wala? Ha? Sige,
Ganda ng ano mo upo mo, Son. Sexy.
Virgin na virgin, ha?
Stuff going on. Stop that. No sausage party.
Kuya Jar, bigyan mo nga ng view si Sonson, yung ano niyang upo na ganito.
Come on, Goose.
Oh.
Is it time?
Signature.
Yeah, another picture. Oh, mega drop.
Dek, sama mo pa.
Ngayon ko lang tinignan pa tinira.
One more try, Abu.
Si Abu tsaka si ano?
Sino?
Si JP.
What is that?
Alright.
Come on, Abu. Honestly, it's okay. Easy.
Ah, let's do this.
It'll be fun. Plastic shot. He's jumping.
Saan pa daw si JP?
Sino?
Ano, Jay? Isa pa? Ha? Oh.
time I did brake on the berm.
Ah,
I thought I'm too fast. And then kind of not cased it, but I was too short.
but not case though.
Yeah, but some
You didn't
people
case.
don't pedal at all and they fly a lot. I just pedal.
Just pump it. Did you pump it?
Oh, you know me, I'm not too much. I'm not goose. I don't pull like goose.
Yeah, go some lot of size, you know.
Honestly, it's easy. If it'd be shitty, I wouldn't push you. Yeah, you go first.
Yeah, let's go.
You wanna go as well, yeah?
Yeah. Don't stop, huh? Yeah. Ah, case. Yeah, I case some. Little bit.
You wanna do it one more time? Push to.
I think that's fine.
Sure?
Oh yeah.
You don't wanna do it
I didn't sleep last night, that's why I'm. But I think I get it. I get it.
Yeah, but
I just
to ride with someone like this.
I just didn't put some speed from there. I didn't.
I do pedal. For me, it's not enough speed, so
Really? Did you pedal from there?
I actually did pedal from.
Ah, that's why I didn't.
Because some people have a hard tires, they have to go fast, they are heavy. So I have to pedal.
But I get it.
But it's alright, right? It's not.
Yeah, it's nice. Ah, see, they're requesting. One more. Case ba? Case? Case ba? Case?
Ulitin mo daw, pangit sabi niya doon.
Ha?
Sabi ni Peter.
Ah,
Ulitin mo.
Bagal mo.
bagal nga. Kasi mula doon, hinayaan ko na lang.
Padya ka mo konti.
Hindi lang ako nagpa-jack.
Tapos gano'n mo na, i-press mo yung bike. Ibang mo pa rin. Mabilis ah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Go.
Nice case!
Safe naman kasi.
Case ba? Case?
I miss you!
Alam ko mabagal eh kasi hindi na ako nagpedal hanggang dito ko na na-realize. Dapat nagpedal pala ako. Ha? Ako nagpedal ako dalawa, okay na yun.
Ano, lalagyan na lang natin ng palitan.
Sakto din, hindi naman.
Saktong-sakto lang yun. Kaya dapat ang ginawa mo lang doon.
I-pop na lang.
Bahala mag-break ka dyan. Okay.
Pero sakto, hindi guys. Pag mag-break ka dyan, eject ka yan.
Lagyan natin ng palitan. Ayan, bridge.
Dito ramdam ko na yung bagal eh.
Lagyan mo lang, dadaanan na lang yan. Pag walang gap.
Nasaan na next?
Lagyan sa ibabaw.
Tara next! Hardline! Ano, bulungan mo na. Hardline daw. Philip said hardline.
But you have to show me. You know that.
Yeah.
Today they have a party tonight. Sana.
Ino, halika na, mega drop! Tara, Donnie, pakita mo kasi yung mega drop.
That's mega drop. What's the hard line? Extra mega drop.
Oh, they want this. This Santa Cruz is afraid of the hardline.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Well, because
Driver is okay.
he's gonna make loads of carbon splinters.
Maybe. Come on.
That's alright, especially it's live, you can easily carry it out.
Puta, gwapo lang ang pwedeng gumamit.
Kaya wala napansin yan.
Kaya pala hindi na sinasakyan yun eh.
Kaya wala gumagamit eh kasi wala gwapo dito eh. Pero bago yung handle ko. Oh. Idol, Julius!
Handlebar?
Bago yung grip ko. Oh, tinan mo.
Galing sa kanya.
Oh. Maganda yung ano.
Oh,
Maganda siya pang U-turn. Diretso na dito.
Tira ka bravo.
Eh, mega drop daw eh.
Ah.
Mega drop.
Ngeg lang. Kaya ako na-case lang.
Case ka?
Oo, yung tulong tinira. Hindi ko natin.
Pwede pa ulitin yun. May ulitin natin. Makuha ko na yung speed nun. Kasi hinayaan ko na yung buwelo ko eh.
May natawag.